This video is about conditional probability. Conditional probability is the likelihood of an event occurring given that another event has already occurred. It helps us refine predictions based on known information. The conditional probability of event A given event B is written as P of A given B equals P of A intersection B over P of B. P of A given B is the probability of A happening given B has happened. That's the reason we count B as the total. Probability of A intersection B is the probability that both A and B happen. P of B is the probability that B happens. The conditional probability formula is given in the IB booklet. First of all, you need to know how to write down this formula. P of B given A prime equals probability of B intersection A prime all over probability of A prime. This bar means given, then change into intersection. This A prime count as the total. That's how you remember this formula. Probability of B prime given A prime equals probability of B prime intersection A prime all over probability of A prime. Probability of S given G prime equals probability of S intersection J prime all over probability of J prime. For conditional probability, we can also use the number of elements in each set equals n of A intersection B all over n of B. Which one is better based on the context? If A and B are independent events, then probability of A given B equals the probability of A, or probability of A given B prime equals the probability of A. Let's go to guided practice 2. Given probability of B equals 0.3. P of A equals 0.5 and P of A intersection B equals 0.65. Find P of A intersection B. Let's check the formula in the booklet. We have combined events. It's dealing with P of A union B and P of A intersection B. Probability of A union B 0.65 equals P of A is 0.5, P of B is 0.3 minus probability of A intersection B. Let's go to calculator. 0.65 equals 0.5 plus 0.3 minus probability of A intersection B. Let's use the variable A to represent. Then control menu, enter, enter, enter. We got P of A intersection B equals 0.15. By solver, probability of A intersection B equals 0.15. Let's go to B. Probability of A given B. First of all, write down the formula. Probability of A intersection B over probability of B. Count B as the total equals. We got a probability of A intersection B from A, 0.15 over 0.3 equals 0.5. Let's go to C. Probability of B given A. Write down the formula first. Probability of B intersection A all over probability of A. Substitution 0.15 over 0.5 equals 0.3. Let's go to D. Are A and B independent events? Let's check the definition of independent events. 1. Probability of A intersection B equals the probability of A times the probability of B. We call A and B are independent events. First of all, we need to figure out the probability of A times the probability of B equals 0.5 times 0.3 equals 0.15. We already figured out probability of A intersection B equals 0.15. So, probability of A intersection B equals probability of A times the probability of B. Therefore, A and B are independent events.